Hi, Cyborgs here. I want you to show my nice ED competition special. This is the ED Mark II competition special. As you can see, it is a long stroke sideboard engine. ED stands for electronic development. In case of ED engines, the Mark number does not refer to the version of the engine, but to the displacement in cubic centimeters. So, the Mark I engines, like this B, have 1 cc. The Mark II engines, like this, have 2 cc. The Mark III have 2.5 cc, and the Mark IV have 3.5 cc. Nevertheless, the Comp Special was the second version of the original Mark II engine, which is known by the nickname penny slot because of the special cooling head with the slot at the top. Unlike other British manufacturers of model engines at this time, ED engines have meaningful serial numbers stamped in the body, which allow us to even know the month of manufacturing. This engine, for example, has 8C at the end, which means it was manufactured in 1948. It is 72 years old. The C at the end means Comp Special. The A at the begin is the month, meaning January. Many parts of the older penny slot engine, the Comp Special and the Mark III, were interchangeable. You will hardly find a used engine with all parts from the same model. On this engine, for example, the tank is from a penny slot engine. This engine has a Comp Special tank, which is made of plastic, but was modified with a flywheel and exhaust stacks soldered to the cylinder. It's pure diesel punk, I think. I'm pretty sure that this engine was in a boat. This engine is a penny slot. If you have a look at the serial number, it ends with 7 and it has no C, no competition special, but a penny slot, and the 7 means 1947. Even electronic development themselves interchanged the parts happily. If you look at this engine here, you see Mark III with one line filed away. To make it Mark II. This was done in the factory because the Mark III was a dud, so they reused the bodies for the more successful Mark II engines. I always wanted the Comp Special in my collection because of the diesel punk look, and they are quite affordable because they are far from rare. I rebuilt this engine from 2 incomplete examples, so let's fire this beast up the first time.